Do you want me to turn the lights back on? No? You good? Hey everybody, this is my vlog. It's kind of going to be a day in the life, a little tutorial. I don't really want to focus on making tutorials after tutorials after tutorials. So I'm just going to be like a lifestyle hair salon, hairdresser. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. I'm going to kind of make it as like day in the life. I'll show you a hairstyle or what I did that day, or day in the life and my client I did for that day, or day in the life and my hair transformation. Something like that. I know Guy Tang already does something like that, but I want it to be more, and I want it to be more of my point of view, not his point of view, because he's, you know, a big hairdresser in LA, so he's kind of like, that's LA. This is Louisiana, okay? Louisiana. And whoever keeps liking all my videos, I love you. I don't know who it is, but I appreciate that, so thank you. Hope you enjoy. Do you want me to turn the lights back on? No? You good? I need to turn off the TV. Huh? Still. Alright. You sounded like a dog.
A little dog caught in the gate.
Hair in a ponytail, just in case that was a little bit too fast and y'all couldn't see, because I know that makeup tutorial showed my hair and it was like, oh. I just wanted to say, let me sit down so I could talk to y'all. There's a lot of stuff that's about to be going on. I'm gonna have to make some big changes, hopefully not too big. I'm really questioning about something right now. I'm not gonna be able to tell you till after January 1st because there might be a change. It might have some people mad, or it might have me regret things because I'm doing so well in the salon right now and it's kind of building up, but I want more walk-ins, so I'm just gonna calm down, make sure I'm making a rational choice and not just jumping around. But hopefully that by this point you have an idea of what I'm saying, but I won't be able to tell you until January 1st. Other than that, Josh is going hunting this weekend, so I'll be alone all this weekend. So I think I'm gonna do a video about what I do when my boyfriend's not here, which is probably gonna be insanely boring, and it's probably gonna be filled with a bunch of friends because when he's gone, I feel like that's the time I can focus on me and do what I want. I just now joined a gym membership, so maybe I'll be going to the gym. I've gained about 30 pounds, and yeah, I'll probably put it before and after, probably like in a month or two. The holidays are about to be over and I need to get fit, need to get in that bathing suit. Lately, I've not been very happy of my body, and my boyfriend sees it and he just let me know. He's like, as soon as you get enough money, go join a gym membership, and that'll be another thing that you can just add to your little bills that I have, which is like phone, car insurance, and now the gym. This is the vlog for the day, and I hope y'all liked it. So, thank you.